Welcome guys. In this video we will be discussing why do currency move. Currencies you are coming to trade, why do they move? The most important thing is your understanding. That's what I need your understanding, not complex language or complex English. I just need you to understand what you are coming to do here. So currency move based on interest rates, bank decision, right? Currency move based on interest rate. What are these interest rates, if you may ask? Interest rate is the percentage of capital a borrower, that's the person borrowing you the money, will add on the money is borrowing to you over certain period of time. Higher rates make borrowing more expensive, and this bank decision causes the market to move either up or down. The second reason why the forex market move is because of economic news. So economic news like unemployment, GDP, and inflation. So all this also move the market. Once there is news of unemployment, the market tends to move in a certain way. When there's inflation in any economy, it also affects the market. So whatever is happening with the currency of a particular country is affecting the market. That's the economic news I'm talking about. Whatever is happening in the economy of a particular country is affecting the currency of that particular country. And this leads to either making the currency weak or making the currency strong. So supply and demand also affect currency of any particular country to move. When there is more buyers, it equals stronger currency. Geopolitical event also affects currencies. It makes them to move. Wars, when you hear rumors of wars, elections, and trade tensions, all these also move the currencies. So when there's war, there's some particular currencies that move in a certain way, like gold. Once there are also elections, the currencies tends to move in a particular way. So once you are trading, you will be looking out for all of these because they move the currency very much. Market sentiment, which is the last one, also moves the currency. So what is market sentiment? When investors' confidence shift on a particular currency, it also affects the currency to move either good or move bad. When they have different mind or they have different judgment on a particular currency, it directly or indirectly affects the market, how it moves. This is the last one, and I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be another series, and we are discussing the type of currency pair, so you know the types of currency pair you love to trade and you will be looking out for. So I'll see you in my next video.